everybody. I am Dr. Shalja Gupta from KPC Medical College and Hospital, Kolkata. Here I will be speaking to you about the precautions we can take to save ourselves and to stop the further spread of the coronavirus. It is a very scary situation, and the cases keep on increasing day by day in India, and the lockdown is broken. In fact, everything is coming into function by the 8th of June. So there are a few steps which are very important for us to follow. First, if you venture out, if you go out for work to the marketplace, please carry few important items like the sanitizer. Any sanitizer will do, mask, and a soap-based solution if you can wash your hands. There are many kinds of masks available. This is an N95 mask, this is a surgical mask, and there are a few cloth masks also which will do the work right now. Now an N95 mask is used by doctor, paramedical staff, nurses and other frontline workers. But in case you have it, many people possess it right now, you must wear it properly. The nose pin goes on top. Proper wearing of the mask is very important. An ill-fit mask does not serve your purpose. In fact, it furthers the spread of the virus. An N95 mask can be reused a number of times. So once you're done using it for the day, please store it properly in a plastic bag and keep it away from other household items. Surgical mask is a one-time wear mask. You have to wear it for a day, and you have to throw it away. You can't reuse it. Proper disposal of the mask is very important. If you dispose it off here and there, it just spreads it. It just spreads the virus. Nothing is going to help. Now, an ill-fit mask will just fail your purpose. So wear the mask properly. The mask should cover from the top of the nose to below the chin. Once you're done wearing the mask, do not touch your mask at all once you're out. Wash your hands after you wear the mask and before you touch the mask. Because if you keep touching other items and you touch your mask, you just infect yourself easily. It does not help. Now, there are many people who make a major mistake of wearing the mask like this. You're just breathing in the contaminated air. That's not helping. So yeah, wear a mask properly. Now, whenever you venture out, you have to carry a sanitizer bottle. If you touch any surface in the market or the workplace, you use an elevator, you use the stairs, touching any buttons or door handles. So please sanitize your hands every time you touch a surface, or you wash your hands every 8 hours. It's very important to slow the spread of the virus and to protect yourself. Every time you touch a mask, you have to use a sanitizer. Every time you touch any surface, you should wash your hands or use a sanitizer. Now, once you're out, you're using a public transport or something, you must maintain a social distance of at least 1 meter. Do not touch any surface until it's very important. 1 meter distance is mandatory. If you cannot do that, just make sure that you are at least a little away from the person. Do not touch any stranger or any friend, because you'd never know who is carrying it, right? Lastly, you do not want to bring the virus home. So once you get home, please sanitize few items like your mobile phones, your wallet, your keys, your sanitizer bottle itself, your glasses, anything you have. Please sanitize them before you get them into the house. Secondly, once you get into the house, do not touch anybody or any item at home. Straight away go to the washroom, open your clothes, put them in a bucket full of soap water, and take a shower from head to toe. If you take a shower with soap, if you take a shower, so the virus is washed off. If you are carrying anything, you never know what's sticking to your clothes. So washing the clothes is very important. Lastly, if you think you have been exposed to the virus, if you have the symptoms, following symptoms are cough and cold, fever, breathlessness, respiratory distress, and in some cases diarrhea is also seen in children. If you have these following symptoms, you must inform a doctor or inform a hospital. First, most important is quarantine yourself at home. Stay away from any people. If you do not have a place to quarantine, inform a hospital and get yourself quarantined. If you have an infected person in the house, make sure the person is wearing a mask at all times, and everyone around the house should wear a mask even if you're following a quarantine. Now, if you have if you think you have been exposed, inform the doctor, take some precautions, and please listen to the medical advice. We have to listen to what the government is saying and what the medical staff is saying, because we cannot help ourselves otherwise. uh, Few important steps: carrying the sanitizer, washing your hands for at least 20 seconds, wearing a proper mask at all times, maintaining a social distance is the only thing which will help us right now from preventing the spread of the virus. We have to protect ourselves and others. So these basic steps are very important. Quarantine yourself if you're traveling. If you do not want to infect your loved ones, please follow the following protocols. Do not venture out to party. It is a very bad situation all throughout the world, and it's going to be worse in India. So, yeah, this is all you can do. Hope all this gets well and the world gets back to normal. But wearing a mask, maintaining proper hygiene is something we have to follow all the time, I think. Thank you.